We're talking about 5 a.m. workouts. So beneficial for your metabolism for several variance factors. Now, enhanced metabolic rate, exercising early in the morning can boost your metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie burn throughout the entire day. This effect, known as EPOC, means your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even after you're finished working out. Now, increased fat burning, morning workouts, especially before breakfast, can tap into fat stores for energy. Glycogen levels are lower after the overnight fast. This can enhance fat oxidation and improve body composition over time. Now, that's a period of time, guys, right? So a consistent routine, establishing a consistent exercise routine in the morning helps ensure regular physical activity. Morning workouts are less likely to be disrupted by daily responsibilities or fatigue that often accumulate at later in the day. Now, improved insulin sensitivity. Now, this one's important, guys. Regular morning exercise improves insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. This can be particularly beneficial for metabolic health and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Now, very, very important, hormonal benefits. Hormones such as cortisol and testosterone, which aid in metabolism and muscle building, are at a higher level in the morning. Exercising during this time can optimize the benefit of these hormones. And finally, appetite regulation. This is so important. Morning workouts can help regulate appetite and reduce cravings throughout the day. Exercise influences hunger hormones like ghrelin and peptide YY, potentially leading to better dietary choices and portion control. So let's get out of bed. Let's get back at it. 5 a.m., guys, no better way to jumpstart and kickstart your day. Have a blessed day.